coaster track is very long and thrilling, especially when the people in front of you are going fast. You can go for it. It's incredibly fast and exciting. The customer service is also very good. On the day of the ride, there was a notice that the equipment was under maintenance starting at 1 p.m., so I planned to go around 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Unexpectedly, the maintenance time was moved up to 11 a.m. When I got to the entrance, they had put up a cordon and wouldn't let me in. I checked my phone and found that customer service had also reminded me to reschedule around 10 a.m., but I just didn't see it. Luckily, I'll be staying in Datanla for 2 days, so it'll still be available tomorrow. Customer service also assisted in rescheduling. Thumbs up. A must-see in Datanla. It's only a 20-minute drive from the city center, right next to the main road. The best part is the thrill. The roller coaster to the waterfall is mostly downhill, while the return trip is uphill. Day tickets include both sections of the roller coaster experience. Keep your tickets safe for the return trip. However, be aware that if you accidentally get stuck on the return trip like I did, the staff will let you climb down the high track, a unique experience. Tickets on site cost 250,000 VND, but buying day tickets with NTD offers a slight discount. You still need to go to the ticket office to exchange your ticket, and then queue up. You can choose to ride alone or in pairs while queuing. However, if the person in front stops in the middle, it will definitely affect the experience of those behind. The toboggan has an automatic braking system, so you don't have to worry about being hit or flying off. The staff did not remind tourists not to stop in the middle of the toboggan while riding. The price of tickets purchased at Day and on site is actually the same, but since we had some discounts, we bought tickets at Day and then exchanged them on site. Everything went smoothly. The third lane is the longest, very exciting and safe. It goes down to the third waterfall, and after seeing the waterfall, you can ride back. About 2 hours is enough. The waterfall slides incredibly fast, probably like a roller coaster. The ticket price is reasonable, the waterfall is beautiful, and taking some photos was well worth it. You should only buy tickets online during peak season, otherwise, on weekdays, it's more convenient to buy them directly at the waterfall. Motorbike parking is 3K, which is quite cheap. The roller coaster is divided into 2 sections. After completing the first section, you'll reach a waterfall where you can stop for photos before starting the second section. You control the speed yourself, it can go fast or slow, but the high speeds are truly exhilarating. Highly recommended. The ride is thrilling and easy to control, featuring hilarious footage shot from multiple cameras. It's available for online purchase and on-site booking. The route is well planned, including a stop at Datanla Falls before returning to the starting point on the roller coaster. Buy and use immediately, very convenient. Show your voucher at the window to exchange for a ticket, staff will guide you. You can control the speed yourself, the drop-off point is right next to the waterfall. You need to exchange your tickets at the ticket counter first, and then join the roller coaster queue. Since we started queuing at 8:40 a.m., the queue wasn't very long. Very convenient.